Welcome to MathStar, Module Pre-algebra, Shapes and Measurement. Today we are learning about two-dimensional shapes. Look around you. The screen you are watching on, the plate you eat from, the signs on the road. If we draw them on a piece of paper, they are all flat shapes living in two dimensions. We will learn to name these shapes, classify them, and even measure them. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. What does it mean to be two-dimensional? Imagine drawing on a piece of paper. Every shape you draw lies completely flat. You can measure how long it is and how wide it is. But you cannot measure how tall it is because it has no thickness. It is drawn on a flat surface, so height does not apply. That is what makes it two-dimensional. Let us start with the most basic polygon, the triangle. Every polygon is built from three things. The straight lines that form the boundary are called sides. The points where two sides meet are called vertices. And the corners at each vertex form angles. A triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles. Now let us look at the building blocks of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. It follows the same rules, just with four of everything. It has four straight sides, four vertices where the sides meet, and four angles, one at each corner. So a quadrilateral has four sides, four vertices, and four angles. Let us learn how polygons are named by their side count. Shapes with only straight sides are called polygons. We name them by counting sides. 3 sides? That is a triangle. 4 sides? A quadrilateral. 5 sides? A pentagon. 6 sides? A hexagon. See the pattern? The name tells you how many sides to count. Now let us look at the different types of triangles. Triangles come in different flavors. When all 3 sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. When exactly 2 sides are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. And when no sides are equal at all, it is a scalene triangle. Just count the matching tick marks to tell them apart. Just like triangles, quadrilaterals come in different types. Let us meet the family. The parallelogram has opposite sides that are parallel and equal. The rectangle is a parallelogram where every angle is a right angle. The rhombus is a parallelogram where all 4 sides are equal. The square is the champion. It has right angles and equal sides. It is both a rectangle and a rhombus. The trapezoid is different. It has only one pair of parallel sides. And the kite has 2 pairs of equal sides that are adjacent, like a flying kite. Let us explore the quadrilateral family tree. This is not about drawing shapes. It is about how they are related by their properties. At the top is any shape with 4 sides, a quadrilateral. Inside that family is the parallelogram, where opposite sides are parallel. Inside the parallelogram family are 2 branches, rectangles, which have all right angles, and rhombuses, which have all equal sides. And where those 2 branches meet, that is the square. It inherits right angles from the rectangle and equal sides from the rhombus. So a square is both a rectangle and a rhombus at the same time. Just like tomato is a special kind of fruit, a square is a special kind of rectangle. Now let us learn about circles. Circles are special. They have no straight sides and no vertices. They instead have a smooth curved boundary. Every point on the circle is the same distance from the center. That distance is the radius. And the full distance across, through the center, is the diameter, which is always twice the radius. No sides, no vertices, just a smooth curve. Let us learn about perimeter, measuring the border of a shape. Perimeter is the total distance around a shape. Imagine walking along the border of this rectangle. If we walk all the way around, we pass 4 sides. The top is length L, the right is width W, the bottom is L again, and the left is W again. So perimeter equals L plus W plus L plus W. But notice we have two L's and two W's. Two L's is 2L and two W's is 2W. So the formula simplifies to P equals 2L plus 2W. Now let us try it with numbers. If the length is 20 centimeters and the width is 15, we substitute. P equals 2 times 20 plus 2 times 15. 2 times 20 is 40 and 2 times 15 is 30. 40 plus 30 equals 70 centimeters. For a square, all four sides are equal, so P equals 4S. And for a triangle with sides A, B, and C, P equals A plus B plus C. Now let us learn about area, measuring the space inside a shape. Imagine a rectangular chocolate bar drawn on a piece of paper. The line around the edge is the perimeter, but all the space inside where the chocolate is drawn. That is the area. A chocolate bar is not just one big block. It is divided into little square pieces. Let us draw a grid to see them. We could count every piece one by one. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. But there is a super fast shortcut. There are 4 pieces in each row and 3 rows. Just multiply. 4 times 3 equals 12. So the area is length times width. The number of columns is the length and the number of rows is the width. Now let us use real numbers. If the length is 20 centimeters and the width is 15, the area is 20 times 15, which equals 300. But notice the units. Perimeter was in centimeters, but area is in square centimeters, centimeter squared. That little square tells us we are measuring flat space, not a line. For a square, all sides are equal, so the area is S squared. Here is your toolkit. Polygons are named by their side count. Circles are the special shape with no sides. A square is always a rectangle, but not the other way around. And for perimeter and area, use these formulas. Remember, perimeter is a line in centimeters. Area is a space in square centimeters. Every shape you see, from your phone screen to a window to a slice of pizza, is a 2D shape you can now name, classify, and measure. That is geometry coming alive in the world around you. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next lesson.